If you've got an E46, I guarantee at some point, if you haven't had it already, this is going to happen to you. This is going to happen to you. So I'm just trying to key this up a little bit. This hasn't fully come away and I don't want to pull it out anymore. We haven't done any filming on Kiwi, the M3, for a long time. I've been so busy mucking around with other pieces of junk. This is going to happen to you. I don't know if it's just specific to the M3 model. This is going to happen to you. And I have done this at least 3 times with different sorts of compounds, with types of silicone, adhesive and all sorts of stuff. That's come away there. Bit here, as you can see, I've used a different type of adhesive to do that, and that's come away there. And then down here, that has also come away down there. So we'll attack one side at a time and see how we get on. Yeah, come with me. After doing some research, this CT1 black unique sealing and construction adhesive is allegedly the daddy. Do this once, they're never going to go again. I think that was silicone from when I was mucking around with boats and stuff, because we used to have a boat. You got to be careful of this wire, but that's clearly not doing its job. Well, it's just broken down over time, but I don't ever remember these being done properly. Last time I did it, I didn't actually key it up with any sandpaper, but this time I'm actually going to. So hopefully that will help the adhesive to bond to the surface a bit better. It's hard to see really, but yeah, I'm just pulling the old adhesives off as best I can. Trusty fingernail. Anything that gives the adhesive a better chance to bond to the surface. You see that it's a bit scratched up there, and obviously you don't want to damage the trim. I know you can get like reproduction parts, but you know it's never the same as OEM.
I can't believe you still got a factory head unit in there. Look at that.
Still got a factory head unit, dude.
Like, who still has a factory head unit in E46?
This fall. Apologies for the dogs, but you know we live on a farm, so literally as soon as one dog starts, they all start. Ruby's got a thing where, depending on what mood she's in, depends on like how close the camera gets. Sometimes the camera gets disturbingly close. Yeah, I've like scratched that up a little bit to try and give that a better chance to actually for the bonding agent to do its job. We get a little bit of brake cleaner on here. We don't need a whole ton of it because I only want to give it a quick wipe up. Just the odd brake cleaner. Working on trying to get these cars to a level where we can get out and get some shooting and stuff. So we've got 2 cameras now, and we're starting to sort of build up some equipment. I ain't that fussy. Look, this is not a, for me, this is a driving car. This is not a sit in a garage and do nothing car. So I just want to be able to use it and enjoy it. I think it looks prepped. Now what I'm going to do for the sake of filming is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to completely do this side. There's no point me showing you both sides because it's exactly the same procedure. So what we'll do is we'll focus on this side, and because I know you guys have got short attention spans. Don't think I want to pull off any more than that because it only seems to be the top corners that actually let go. Oh yeah, this is the other problem as well, is it shrinks, so you can't actually get it in exactly the right place anymore because it's actually shrunk. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop there and I'm going to tape that bit up because I don't know what the cure time on this, but I think it's quite quick. Looks pretty, huh? but I can't actually pull that in any tighter. And what I'm hoping is, and we're going to flip the car around now so we can do the other side. Obviously once the glass is shut and pushing up against that, that will help to put a bit more tension on it. So you can see that the glass now is putting tension on the tape. See how it's pulling all the way around? So if you get the door shut, the window will actually help you to like put a bit of tension on there and actually pull that up. So we're going to go around and smash the other side. Smash, another one of my favourites. Let's smash the other side. So we left it overnight, and let's have a look to see. I've already pulled all the tape off, but if you can have a look down here, you'll see that that has all stuck really nicely, especially this bit, which I said yesterday tends to shrink, and as you can see, that's all attached quite nicely, and all along the top there it all looks pretty good. So I think what we can say is that the CT1 works really well. One thing I would say is, because obviously the constraints of filming, we did this in the daytime yesterday and it was a really hot day and what happened was some of the tape actually let go. So there's a little bit over the other side which is not stuck as well as I would have liked because the tape let go. So my advice would be to do this in the afternoon, evening, and then leave it overnight when it's cooled down, rather than do what we did, which is, you know, do it when the light's right, because of filming. And yeah, so we lost a little bit on the other side, but I'll just literally clean that up and redo it in the evening. So yeah, I think it was really successful. I hope that helped, and thanks for watching. We've got loads of other stuff coming up. We've got some other videos on the channel, so if you want to click there or there and watch another video, I'd appreciate it. Till next time.